Good morning, all of you. Today's topic is nomenclature. Topic is nomenclature. So, first of all, what is nomenclature? What is nomenclature? The process of naming of animals. The process of naming of animals. The process of naming of animals with a scientific name. With a scientific name. Scientific names is called nomenclature. Okay, so what is a nomenclature? The process of naming of animals with a scientific names is called nomenclature. Okay, so nomenclature definition is very important. What is nomenclature? Process of naming of animals with a scientific names is called the nomenclature. Okay, and next one, the naming of organism. The naming of organism is done by ICZN. The naming of organism is done by ICZN. What is ICZN? International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. ICZN means International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Already yesterday I told ICZN rule. The naming of organism is conducted by the names by the process of ICZN rule. What is the ICZN? ICZN is the very important 2 marks question also. International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. So that is the ICZN. So the naming of organisms is done by ICZN rule. ICZN rule. Okay. And next one, nomenclature is mainly 2 types. Nomenclature is mainly 2 types. So one is binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature. And second one, trinomial nomenclature. Nomenclature is mainly 2 types. First one, binomial nomenclature, and second one, trinomial nomenclature. Okay, so what is a nomenclature? The process of naming of animals with a scientific names is called the nomenclature. The naming of nomenclature is done by ICZN rule. ICZN is the International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Okay, so nomenclature is mainly how many types? 2 types. First one is the binomial nomenclature and second one is the trinomial nomenclature. Okay, so now discussing the binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature. Okay, so bi means 2. Bi means 2. And nominal means names. 2-worded name. 2-worded name. Okay, so Binomial nomenclature is the two-worded name. First of all, binomial nomenclature is identified by Carolus Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus. Binomial nomenclature is identified by Carolus Linnaeus. He is a Swedish and botanist. Swedish and botanist. Okay, Carolus Linnaeus is Sweden botanist. Okay, all of you understand? And the binomial nomenclature by using in 10th edition of his book Systema Naturae. In his book Systema Naturae, the binomial nomenclature is used in the book of 10th edition of Systema Naturae. 10th edition of Systema Naturae. Okay. The binomial nomenclature of each organism is provided with two words. Each organism contains two words. Then it is also called binomen. Then it is also called binomen. Each organism having two words, that is called the binomen. Bi means two, nomen means names, two-worded name or two names. Okay. And next one, first word, two-worded name, and first word refers to genus. First word refers to genus or genera. Genus or genera. And second word refers to species. Specific name. Species is the specific name. Okay. Binomial nomenclature having the two-worded name. First word refers to genus. Second word refers to species. And genus words is a noun. Genus word is a noun. And species word is a adjective. Species word is a adjective. Species word is a adjective. The genus or generic name. The genus name began with capital letter. And species name began with small letters. Okay. Two-worded name is the nomenclature. First word is the genus. Second word is the species. Genus is a noun. Species is a adjective. A genus names begin with capital letter and species name begin with small letters. Okay, the names are must in Latin. The names are must in Latin words. Latin form. Latin words are Latin form. But they are printed in italic types. They are printed in italic. They are printed in italic type. Okay, for example, lion. For example, lion. Lion scientific name is Felis leo. Felis leo. Lion scientific name is Felis leo. So Felis is the first word. Felis is the first word. Leo is the second word. Leo is the second word. Felis is a genus and Leo is the species. Felis is the genus, Leo is the species. Okay, first word, second word. Two-worded name is the binomial nomenclature. So Felis is began with capital letter and species is began with small letters. They are written in Latin words. They are printed in italic type. Okay. And it is identified the scientist. It is identify the which scientist? Felis leo is the lion name is identified by Linnaeus. Identified by Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus. Lion scientific name is identified by Linnaeus. So it is also written Felis leo is the lion scientific name and then it is identified by scientist is Linnaeus. Then after he is identified which year? 1758. 1758. For example, one name is identified in red data book or enlisted in ICZN rule. Okay. So how to identify? First of all, identify the scientist, identify the which year and identify the animal name. Okay, so lion scientific name first identified by Linnaeus and which year? 1758. It is also write in italic type. They are printed in italic type. It is a Latinized words. So that is the binomial nomenclature. Okay, and second one, trinomial nomenclature. Sorry, it is also write in same way. Felis leo L 1758. What is L? It is the shortcut name of scientist. Felis leo L 1758. Okay, next one is the trinomial nomenclature. Trinomial nomenclature. Trinomial nomenclature. So it is the extension of the binomial nomenclature. Trinomial nomenclature is the extension of the binomial nomenclature. Extension of the Binomial nomenclature is the trinomial nomenclature. So tri means 3. Tri means 3. So trinomial nomenclature is a 3-worded name. 3-worded name is called trinomial nomenclature. So 3-worded name is called trinomen. What is that? Trinomen. Trinomen. Okay. For example, human scientific name is Homo sapiens. Very important word. Example, human scientific name is Homo sapiens. So this is first word, second word, third word. 3-worded name is called the trinomen. First word refers to genus, second word refers to species, and third one refers to subspecies. Third word refers to subspecies. Genus, species, subspecies both are including in the trinomial nomenclature. Okay, so trinomen. What is trinomen? 3-worded name is called trinomen. And for example, human scientific name is the Homo sapiens. So first word refers to genus, second word refers to species, and third one is the subspecies. Okay, so it is also write in italic types, printed in italic type. It is also write in italic type and Latinized words. Some example of crow. Corvus splendens. This is the scientific name of crow. Corvus splendens.